Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Where was India's first vertical railway sea bridge inaugurated recently? A. Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. B. Vishakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. C. Kochi, Kerala. D. Chandipur, Odisha. Correct answer is A. Question number 2. Which state government has announced 20% reservation for Agniveers in state police recruitment? A. Bihar. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Haryana. D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is C. Question number 3. Which state has become the first in India to launch online permanent Lok Adalat services? A. Telangana. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Kerala. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is C. Question number 4. Which city has become home to India's first quantum computing village? A. Surat, Gujarat. B. Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. C. Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. D. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question number 5. Which Indian city has issued India's first certified green municipal bond? A. Pune. B. Indore. C. Ghaziabad. D. Bengaluru. Correct answer is C. Question number 6. Which is the nodal ministry for the National Medical Register, a centralized digital database? A. Ministry of Education. B. Ministry of Science and Technology. C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. D. Ministry of Social Justice. Correct answer is C. Question number 7. Which city is home to the Indian Institute of Creative Technology? A. Mumbai. B. Bengaluru. C. Chennai. D. Bhopal. Correct answer is A. Question number 8. Which state has become the first in India to introduce a shipbuilding policy? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Karnataka. C. Maharashtra. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is C. Question number 9. What is the name of the operation conducted by Indian Army in Jammu and Kashmir on May 13, 2025 to neutralize terrorists of Lashkar-e-Taiba? A. Operation Killer. B. Operation Vijay. C. Operation Vinash. D. Operation Surya. Correct answer is A. Question number 10. The Overseas Citizenship of India scheme was introduced by amending which act? A. Foreigners Act 1946. B. Citizenship Act 1955. C. Immigration Act 1983. D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Question number 11. Which state has emerged as the leading state in mobile recovery through the Central Equipment Identity Register portal? A. Kerala. B. Telangana. C. Karnataka. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Question number 12. Indian forces launched a joint anti-terror operation called Operation Nadar in which state/UT on May 15? A. Chhattisgarh. B. Jammu and Kashmir. C. Jharkhand. D. Bihar. Correct answer is B. Question number 13. What is the name of the nationwide campaign launched against plastic pollution ahead of World Environment Day? A. Plastic Free India. B. Clean Future, Green Future. C. One Nation, One Mission End Plastic Pollution. D. Mission Green Earth. Correct answer is C. Question number 14. Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services was established under which ministry? A. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. B. Ministry of Earth Sciences. C. Ministry of Science and Technology. D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is B. Question number 15. What is the primary objective of the Sea Cares version 2.0 portal launched by Coal Ministry? A. Enhance transparency and efficiency in Provident Fund and pension disbursement. B. Promote coal exports. C. Reduce coal mining cost. D. Provide health insurance to coal workers. Correct answer is A. Question number 16. Italian hydropower project is located in which state? A. Sikkim. B. Assam. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Manipur. Correct answer is C. Question number 17. Cropic initiative is launched under which scheme? A. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. B. Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. C. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. D. National Food Security Mission. Correct answer is C. Question number 18. What is the name of the survey launched on the Namo app to mark Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 11 years in office? A. Jan Seva Survey. बी नया भारत पोल, सी नमो कनेक्ट, डी जनमन सर्वे। करेक्ट आंसर इज डी। Question number 19. Which ministry launched the Bharatiya Bhasha Anubhag to promote Indian languages in administration? A. Ministry of Culture, B. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, C. Ministry of Home Affairs, D. Ministry of Panchayati Raj. Correct answer is C. Question number 20. National Automated Fingerprint Identification System is managed by which organization? A. Central Bureau of Investigation, B. National Crime Record Bureau, C. Intelligence Bureau, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is B. Question number 21. Totapuri mangoes are primarily cultivated in which states? A. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, B. Assam, Sikkim and Nagaland, C. Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, D. Rajasthan, Gujarat and Punjab. Correct answer is A. Question number 22. Which state has emerged as the leading state in India for the scan and share facility under Ayushman Bharat mission as of June 2025? A. Odisha, B. Haryana, C. Bihar, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is C. Question number 23. Tura bypass is being built in which state? A. Sikkim, B. Meghalaya, C. Assam, D. Tripura. Correct answer is B. Question number 24. Which ministry has launched the MCA 21 portal for automating corporate legal processes? A. Ministry of Finance, B. Ministry of Law and Justice, C. Ministry of Corporate Affairs, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is C. Question number 25. Bhashini is an artificial intelligence powered language translation platform developed by which ministry? A. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, B. Ministry of Science and Technology, C. Ministry of Defense, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is A. Thank you and I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel.